This video is for the comparison of IPS screen and 2.5D HD glass capacitance touchscreen. Okay, on the right hand side one is without IPS and without 2.5D. So it's a normal screen. So this is normal touchscreen. Okay, in the middle one is with IPS screen and 2.5D. Okay, 2.5D. It's got a curved screen, curved glass screen. Okay, on the left hand side one is only for the width 2.5D glass capacitance touchscreen. Okay, this one is no IPS. Okay. 2.5D is a curved glass screen. So 2.5D. Okay, this is a normal screen. This is normal screen. Okay, now I show you for the IPS. What is IPS screen? IPS is multi-angle wide viewing display. Okay, so this is a front display. Everything is same. If you view from the top, okay, view from the left, from the left hand side, everything okay. Okay, now view from the right hand side, everything same. The viewing display okay. Okay, now is for the different thing for the IPS when you viewing from the bottom. So you can see again, the middle one is with IPS screen. So the left hand side is without IPS, just come with 2.5D. So the right hand side is without 2.5 and without IPS. So when you were viewing from the bottom, the screen different. This is the difference of the with IPS or without IPS, the comparison. Video by 1 bit. Thank you.